In this movie, you're going to learn how to create the file to save your MP3s and any videos that you record here with your Mac. Okay, so before we do anything, I'm going to show y'all how to get these three folders, the movies, music, and pictures, over here on your sidebar in your Finder. So we can go up to Finder on the menu bar, go to Preferences. Yours will originally be in General. Just click on over to Sidebar and you'll see Movies, Music, and Pictures. Select the three boxes next to it. And now you should be able to see them in your sidebar whenever you open up your Finder. Okay? And this is good because whenever you import your music, you can actually import it into a music file as opposed to have it just anywhere in your computer. Okay? So now I'm going to go to YouTube. And I'm going to look for Bruce Springsteen Born to Run. Okay, before anything, you're going to want to make sure that your audio is just the way you want it. So I'm listening to the song just a little bit. Okay, and it's perfect. So now I'm going to copy the URL by going Command C, which is the shortcut to copy on your Macs. Now I'm going to open up a new window and visit www.vidmp3.com. And I'm going to copy the URL here and just paste it on in there. Now I'm going to click download and give it just a little bit, depending on your Mac. Some are fast, some will download it slower than others. Just got to give it a little bit of time. Then you click here to download your link and download MP3. And now you should see it loading in your top right corner. Okay, and then it's going to open up right here in your iTunes. Alright. Now, I don't want that in my iTunes. I don't want to retrieve it from my iTunes. And so I'm just going to click it and drag it onto my desktop so I can put it into my Finder folder. Let me get out of that. Get out of here. We don't need that anymore. We don't need that. Open up Finder. Go to Music. You can create a folder in Finder. I have two here. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Move it to trash. Now I have one here for MP3s, and that's where I'm gonna put this one in. If you don't have an MP3 folder yet in your music file, then go up to File, go to New Folder, and then you'll see an option to create a new folder. You can just title it whatever you want to, MP3s, downloads. Okay. Now I can go to iMovie and import that song that I just downloaded into the new project that I'm about to create. And so the new project is going to be the 1972 Olympics 800-meter run. Okay, and I'm going to keep this under Digital 1 for this class. And now you can see my project up here along with my last project that I created. And now we can import the song into this project. So I'm going to go up to Import. Okay, now you can see my name here under Favorites. This is where I have all my files where I have saved everything into. I have my movies, my music, my pictures. I'm going to choose a song I just downloaded. So it was under MP3s, and it was Restring Sync, Born to Run. I'm going to import it into Digital One. Make sure you have the correct event selected. I'm going to choose that one, import selected. And then there you'll see it at the very, very bottom. Okay, if you have your music, you can drag it down to your project timeline. Now again, you can make this larger. Okay, and there you'll see your song down at the bottom. You can increase the volume by moving the arrow upward, or increase it by moving the arrow downward. This little knob right here is to create a fade effect. So if you move it over, listen to it now, you can hear the fade. Same thing goes with the end. You move that knob left, but you really won't need a huge fade effect for that one. Let's move it more over. Okay, and that's how you edit the music you import into iMovie. In the next movie, I'm going to show you how to create screen recordings so that you can import them into your projects that you create here in iMovie.